When they near the Alberts house, Karen begins literally like kicking at the door, shouting, "There he is, he's right there." But Jen and Carrie can't see anything. I mean, they just see snow until Karen like launches herself out of the car and runs over to a spot in the Alberts lawn, like near this flagpole they have, where sure enough, after like brushing away about 6 inches of fresh snow, they find John. And Karen throws herself on top of him and is like lifting up their shirts to try and exchange body heat, warming him up.